This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by David Pellerin. Spectacularly updated 2-unit no-fee condo at the oceanfront. This home has a 3-story open floor plan with gorgeous white oak engineered hardwood floors throughout. Enjoy plenty of natural light and sea breezes emitting through the large casement windows. When you enter the home, you are greeted with an open living area with adjacent walk-in laundry room, updated full bathroom and 2 spacious bedrooms. The second floor has an expansive family space with an updated kitchen and half bath, fireplace and dining area. Delight your guests as you entertain in a well-equipped kitchen with ample storage, stainless steel appliances, built-in wine cooler and an island with generous counter space. The primary bedroom expands the entire 3rd floor and boasts a vaulted ceiling west/skylights, tons of natural light, built-in dresser drawers, 2 closets, private office/nursery and a stunning primary bathroom with a therapeutic air bubble bathtub. Don't miss the views of the ocean from the 3rd floor balcony. November 14, 2024. For more information, review the details below.